here's what it looks like. Here's your whiteboard. You can zoom in and out. What's good about it is, well, you've got this whole toolbox where you can really simulate an entire educational, classroom environment, right? So, for example, say I wanted to give you some homework assignments, right? Assignment 1, for example. We can work through math problems, say 3x squared plus 7x minus 2. I'm not actually going to do any problem there, but just to show you kind of, the functionality of this whiteboard. And another thing that you can do, which you can't really do in person as easily, is bring in things, cut and paste other resources online. So, for example, this is something that I nicked off of a GRE website. All right. So, then we could just work through problems like that. All right. So the whiteboard is a really, really, really effective environment to facilitate collaborative learning. All right. And then another thing that's very useful is that once the session is over, you can simply capture this and send it to you. I show you how that's done. Simply export it as a PDF, and boom, I will, you've got your own copy of the class notes. So there's a really, really, really quick, just introduction to show you kind of how MyGuru's online tutoring can work for you. So we hope to see you soon, hope to work with you soon. And in the meantime, stay safe and stay healthy.